Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what's new in your iOS 17 Notes app. So let's get started. So basically, in your Notes app, now you can add your custom stickers and you have the ability to set a multiple timers on your iPhone. And the last one you have already found, that is the Apple Watch. You can also do there. Okay, and the feature, if you want to access it, you have to update your Apple device to iOS 17. So by this way, you can just get these update. Okay, just update to iOS 17 and you will just get these features on your Note app, and it's very useful. Now if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. And thank you for watching.